put your bow tie around. You're gonna button this top button. Okay, and you're ready to go. So you're gonna start with your with the left-hand side of the bow tie slightly longer than the right. Okay, you're going to cross that left longer side over the bottom, right where the bottom bow tie starts to get thicker. See how it starts to get thicker? Right about here. That's where it's going to cross, and you're going to flip the bow tie up and over, and you're going to pull it tight. Now at this point you have the top portion over a bottom, and the top portion should just be about a ½ inch longer than the bottom. You're going to take your right hand, you can kind of pull the top portion aside with your left, and you're going to take your right hand and you're going to, at the peak, folding it up. But the most important thing is that this is sort of like the framework now for the bow tie. So to show one more time, you fold it at its peak and you press it up against the neck like this, pulling the top portion up and over. Now this is where you're going to switch hands. You're actually going to now take your left hand, and you're going to see actually behind there's a little hole right here. You're going to stick your thumb right in there, and you're going to pinch it all together, and now your right hand is free. Okay, so you can see we've got our back side of our bow tie. Now it's time to put this around and through that back hole. So now in this direction, you're going to take your right hand at the peak again, fold upwards, not downwards, but upwards, and you're going to wrap it under, and you're going to stick it right through that hole. You're going to push the fold to touch your thumb, and you're going to push it right through that hole, and you're going to pull it through with your left hand. Takes a little bit of maneuvering, but once it's coming through, you've got it. All right, okay, and so this is where you really start to form the bow tie. Now you can play around with this a little bit. Again, like I said, if it's not tight enough, you can always take it off around your neck and tighten it in the back. But you can kind of pull on different sides, fixing it. Get this a little straighter. And there you go. Not too bad. You can always also pull at this to tighten it a little bit if it's not just right. And then you fold the collar down. Fix, let this pop out, and you are ready to party.
Our ladies' ties come pre-tied in a gift box. You can simply put the bow on thanks to the hook fastening. Also, the neck size is adjustable. Our ties are variable, you can tie them more ways. Some of the ties are reversible, so there are even more options. If you'd like to try another look, just pull the ends to untie. To tie a bow tie or a bow, start by pulling the right part to make it a little longer. Then go across and make a loop and tighten. Fold the bottom part and hold it with your right hand. Then put the top part over. Fold the wings of the bow tie together and make a loop. Now pull the bottom part through the loop. The tricky part is done, we only need to tighten our bow tie by pulling the middle layers. Hold them close to the knot and pull. Keep adjusting until the bow tie is symmetrical. To make a bow, just pull the ends down and tighten again and adjust. For the necktie style, use a 4-in-hand knot. Make the right part of the tie longer again, fold over the left part and hold the cross. Then go around back and around the front again, through 2 loops and pull to tighten. Only thing left to do now is find the right bow for you at our online shop.